Hey guys, I'm back. I've been gone for a couple days. I've been in South Carolina. That is where my roots are, where my family's from. I was up there to see family, and I got to tell you, I got a great family. I love them very much. It's it was nice to see them. It really was nice. It was nice to talk and meet some of my dad's cousins and hear family stories and share family stories. It's nice to see family once in a while. I'm kind of isolated down here, but that's where I've been the last couple days. The video I have for you was actually shot last week, but I wanted to put something together for you just to say hello, let you know everything's okay. And I think in this video, it's a commercial job where they had water damage. Stay tuned. I think it's tapped into this 1 inch right here, but wherever it is, it's in the wall. So and there's more than one drain going into it. It doesn't come out as a 3/4, so it's on a mezzanine. Let's go up there. Y'all see this? That is going to be my emergency drain. It went down that time. Okay, so the reason we have a 1 inch drain is because apparently we tie into the emergency drain pan for that hot water heater. And that thing was full of algae. It is. Oh my, I didn't get algae tablets. I could have sworn I did. Let me get some algae tablets and a float switch. I'm gonna put a primary float switch because apparently this drain pan here, we're getting some leakage onto the ceiling. So let's stop it from even getting to the emergency drain pan by putting this in a primary or a secondary drain float switch and get some algae here. I just need a BG 301. That's what I'm looking for. And not bringing my tool bag. I can't even get the panel off right now. Let me go get my impact and let's get this thing fixed. I'm going to run me a float from here to here. This is the float switch I'm going to use. But let me go get my impact. I know this is an open like warehouse space, but man, it's hot. These are my connections for my float switch. There's water pouring out of that. Nope, that drain's clear. This float that I'm installing, and this is not a magnetic reed float. This is a real mechanical float switch. Make sure that's hand tight. I'm actually using the float to help make sure that's tight. Straight up and down. Okay, let me see if I can get this in here. I might not be able to, but that's okay. I don't necessarily need to get these wires through here. It would just be nice. There we go. It is starting to rain. Y'all can probably hear it. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm gonna try to strap these up. In fact, there's a zip tie right there. This is my red coming from the system right here. That goes through my first float switch. Make sure that's off. Okay. Those are my thermostat wires. So this is my other float. I'm going to connect it in series with the first float. Oh my, somebody just opened the door downstairs and that cold air just came up through the return. That felt nice. All right, so my red goes through this. It comes from here, my 24 volts, goes through this float, which is right here. And then I connect it to this float, which goes through this. And then I take my 24 volts and hook it to my thermostat wires. So now my thermostat can have power. And what do you say we try to strap these out of the water? That would be real nice, like. I don't have my tool bag with me. All right, so those connections are now out of the water. These floats normally come tripped, so watch this. Now it's ready to go. Next time, when that drain backs up, it should trip that first. I gotta take this off to put those in there. This business where I am is like coaching young kids in baseball. They have batting cages here. They have places to practice pitching. We're going to take that off so we can get those algae tablets in the main drain. This drain pan in here is where I really want them. Tell you what, ain't gonna hurt to add a few extra, especially because they've been having troubles. Y'all think I'm crazy, but I charge $1 for each algae tablet that I put in. Hey, if we gotta buy it, charge for it. Okay, this system ought to do much better. Next time that drain backs up, hopefully we won't have water damage. I do hope y'all enjoyed that video. I am glad to be back in my normal routine, and I do miss my family up there already. Riley was beside himself because I was gone for 2 days, and he is glad I'm back. Catch y'all on the next one.